Welcome to my credit union. What type of loan are you looking for? Home, business, personal, vehicle?
Home.
Okay, which type of home loan? Purchase, refinance, line of credit, new construction, remodel?
Purchase.
Which best describes the type of purchase? Primary, second, vacation, rental?
Primary.
Have you owned a home in the last 3 years?
Yes.
What is the purchase price of your home?
$525,000.
What is your preferred down payment percentage? 0, 3.5, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50?
20.
What is your estimated 3-digit credit score?
790.
Are you currently employed?
No.
What is your gross monthly income before taxes?
$10,000.
Please provide the property address to give a general location to the lenders.
3401 American River Drive.
If the purchase address is 3401 American River Drive, Sacramento, California, 95864, USA, say yes, otherwise say no.
Yes.
Had a bankruptcy, short sale, or foreclosure in the last 7 years?
No.
Are you looking for one of the following? VA, FHA, or USDA?
No.
Are you a veteran?
Yes.
Please provide any additional information.
Thanks so much. This was really fast and easy.
What is the best phone number to reach you?
916-555-4444.
Congrats, your loan has started.